This September, Steve grows as the all-in-one OS for AI native products. Last month, we made building, deploying, and scaling faster. Here's what's new. Vibe Studio got major upgrades. Blueprints are now automatically generated to validate your app's requirements and theming, generating more reliable applications. Iterate more affordably with Open Router and QN models. Deploy apps to custom domains for professional branding. And enjoy smoother previews with reduced AI hallucinations. Beyond Vibe Studio, Steve expanded across platforms. Our mobile app is now live on Google Play. The Chrome extension now brings Steve into your browser workflow. And a referrals feature that allows you to boost your growth and your credits. Steve Chat is faster, reliable, and smarter with enhanced recognition, caching, and response times. With new search, filtering, and chat-style views, you have more control over your inbox than ever. Attachment support and back-end improvements make AI email stronger and more reliable. With dark mode for accessibility and automated account management for security, AI email is now a dependable hub for all communication. Steve is unifying development, communication, and deployment into one intelligent platform. Stay tuned for next month. We got some exciting updates coming your way. Start for free today at heysteve.com.